Hey everyone, and welcome back. So in this lesson I'm going to show you the D major scale on the Irish tenor banjo. Now this one's really useful as a scale because so many Irish tunes are in the key of D and the pattern is simple once you break it down. So the notes we have are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp and D. So let's get started. Now the first pattern starts on the open D string, and first of all we have open D, second fret is an E, fourth fret is F sharp, fifth fret is G. So that is the first line. So again the pattern is open, fret 2, fret 4, fret 5. So I'm using separate fingers for each of those notes. So do play this slowly and aim for it to sound clean and even. Let's move on to the A string next. So this is where the second half of the pattern happens. So on the string below, this is called A, this string. And we have the open A string, second fret, which is a B, fourth fret is C sharp, and then fifth fret is D. So again, that same pattern is open, fret 2, fret 4, fret 5. That gives us A, B, C sharp, and D on the A string. So now let's put both strings together. So the open D string first, which was D, E, F sharp, G, and then the A string, which was A, B, C sharp, and D. So the full scale we have here is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. And then coming back down, that's D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Now don't rush this, focus on clean notes and steady timing. Now a good way to learn this properly is to say the note names as you play. This really helps you learn the fretboard, not just the finger patterns. Also remember that D is your home note, it's the root note of this scale. So if you finish on a D, the scale should sound complete. Now, let's make this musical. So once you've got comfortable with that, don't just run the scale up and down. Try moving around using only those notes and come back to that D. We just randomized the notes just to make like a little musical exercise. So again, we could just put them in a random order. Again, just absolutely random little melody, but it just gets your ears used to the sound of the D major scale. So again, the D major scale is made up of D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. Practice it slowly, say the notes out loud, and always try and resolve back to that D. So if you'd like help getting started with the Irish tenor banjo, I've put together my free Banjo Basics ebook guide, which you can grab. Link will be in the description below. And if you want more structured lessons and weekly support and a community of other Irish tenor banjo players, you can also check out Brad's Banjo Club on School. Again, link will be in the description. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like, leave us a comment, and I'll see you again in the next one.